Radio 1 FM 91. Music is my lifeline.
I wanna give you devotion.
Alright, and welcome back everyone. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you guys are in Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, aap jahan bhi hain. Welcome back to the show. My name is Beenish, and abhi thodi der pehle in the first hour we kept telling you over and over again that we have a special guest on the show in the second hour who's been kind enough to join us all the way from Islamabad. So yes, we have with us, like I always say, by far one of the best singers in Pakistan. He does very selective work, but is very true to what he does. I've noticed that in this long span of time, and he's definitely one artist who can do complete justice when it comes to live singing. Please welcome on Radio 1 FM 91, Abbas Ali Khan. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you, Beenish?
I am doing very well, thank you, Abbas. Thank you very much, like always, for your time.
Thank you for the nice introduction.
You deserve it. Acha, Abbas, tell me, everybody keeps saying that, Abbas is such a wonderful singer and aapki videos bhi different hoti hain, gaane bhi hamesha different hote hain. You've been away for a bit in terms of, a new song or a new video. What have you been up to?
Well, there are a lot of things I've been doing. First of all, it was more like a hibernation period for me. I was learning classical. In fact, today I was looking at my CD cover of Sun Re, and I saw the date 2006, and I was like, it's been really a long time.
It's been a while, yeah.
Yeah. So I've been learning classical. I've been trying to find a new sound for my music, and just spending some time with myself and trying to rediscover and reinvent myself.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing, yeah.
Okay. So in terms of new projects, koi nayi album ya koi naya gana ya koi nayi video, is it coming out soon?
Okay, album ke liye to, I feel ke abhi it's not the right time to do an album, because I did my album Sun Re, and only the songs that had videos, basically they got noticed. Aur baki mere kafi sare gaane jo the wo कह सकते हैं आपके ज़ाया हो गए थे. There were a lot of good songs. I got a lot of good feedback on that song, but वो उस level पे आ नहीं सके जिसपे बाकी जो वीडियो सॉन्ग्स थे वो आए थे.
Okay.
तो उससे मैंने सोचा कि अभी और जो हालात चल रहे हैं हमारे मुल्क के, उससे बेहतर ये है कि एल्बम निकालने से बेहतर आप सिंगल्स करें. बट नाउ आई प्रॉमिस कि आफ्टर एवरी 3 months एक नया वीडियो मेरा जरूर आएगा. आई मीन आई एम टाइमिंग थिंग्स नाउ.
And I think enough of hibernation now. We all need your music.
Yeah. I need to come out as well.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
अच्छा तो अभी पिछले दिनों when we were talking, आप बता रहे थे that you're going to be there's a music video launch. उसके बारे में बताइए.
बिल्कुल. I've just done a new single which is basically going to define the sound that I'm following for my next project. My upcoming song. This is a song called पर मैं हूँ रुकासा. And I've shot the video in Islamabad. I've worked with a new director this time. His name is Usman Mukhtar, a talented young guy. And because I've been doing all of my videos myself, in the sense के जो वो directors थे वो मेरे साथ ही काम कर रहे होते थे in my animation studio, and we were on the same wavelength. But this time मैंने सोचा कि मैं किसी और को try करूँ, bring in some new ideas to my videos. And Usman is definitely doing great stuff, and he's done.
But is he in sync with what you do? Because जो आपकी videos होती हैं, particularly when you say Abbas Ali Khan, the first thing that comes to mind is the video for Sun Re and Malal.
Absolutely. I mean, we've not done clowns or vampires this time, but there is definitely a shock element in the video.
There is.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's I think it's going to be more shocking than my previous videos.
Okay.
Yeah. And we're going to release the video in about 10 to 12 days, and
and this event is taking place in Islamabad, I believe.
Yes. We were doing this at a place called Kuch Khas, and we've invited Radio 1 as well.
Oh, nice. Good.
Radio partners,
Yeah. Okay. Wonderful.
Yeah.
So about writing music, I mean, you have formal training in the singing part of it, the singing aspect. मगर जो आप music लिखते हैं, you write your own lyrics yourself, or somebody helps you with it, or what is it this time round?
I've always written for myself, and initially, when I was very young, और उर्दू इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, so I used to take help from my mother.
अच्छा.
And she's also she's written quite a few songs on the album Sun Re. But this time, अभी तक जितने भी गाने हैं that I've written myself, and obviously कोई चीज ज़हन में होती है कि भाई सही करते हैं या कुछ इस तरह की चीज है, उसका वजन चेक कर लें, वो सारी चीजें, तो वो मैं उनसे डेफिनेटली उन्हें कंसल्ट करता हूँ. बट आई राइट मोस्ट ऑफ माई लिरिक्स.
अच्छा, परफेक्ट. एंड आप बता रहे थे दैट देयर इज अ पाकिस्तानी मूवी दैट यू डूइंग द म्यूजिक फॉर दैट फिल्म, और इज इट जस्ट अ सॉन्ग दैट यू डूइंग?
No, the music is being done by again a very young, talented, new music director. His name is Farhan Zameer, and he's based out of Multan.
Okay.
हाँ, people will get surprised. लेकिन ये कि उनका काम जो है that's really good. I think he's one of the few people who actually know how to do a score, a background score of a film.
Wow.
Not only that, but he's made some really good compositions. And he asked me to sing one song for the movie. This movie is basically by an independent filmmaker.
Achha.
His name is Faisal Aman. And the movie is based on the life of Imran Khan.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so that's one reason I agreed to the movie as well. And so the song is really nice.
So do you keep political views also?
Not really. I'm very liberal when it comes to politics. In fact, I'm not interested in the current politics of Pakistan.
Okay.
But ये है कि I mean, I can say openly that Imran Khan is definitely one person that all eyes are on. And,
absolutely, more expectations, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's come back to what we were talking about before the show goes back to another direction. अच्छा, मुझे बताइए कि आप where do you feel the music industry? I mean, you've been away for a while, but I'm sure that you've been sitting and watching what's been happening, right?
I have
Coke
been
Studio,
very closely.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So my point is that what do you think? Where is it going? Which direction do you think it's going in? And if it is going in the wrong direction, what are the things that you would want to eradicate from the music industry?
देखिए, बात ये है कि मैं तो यही कहता हूँ कि आर्ट हमेशा उस जगह पर फ्लरिश करेगा जहाँ पर इंसान को रोटी और बाकी नेसेसिटीज की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. यहाँ पर पाकिस्तान में अनफॉर्चुनेटली रोटी और बिजली और वो सारी प्रॉब्लम तो हैं, सिक्योरिटी के इतने बड़े इश्यूज हैं. तो कॉन्सर्ट्स तो बहुत पहले बंद हो गए थे होना, कमर्शियल शोज. अब थोड़ा बहुत बेहतर सीन हो रहा है, बिकॉज अब आर्टिस्ट ने ये सोचा कि यार हम बजाय ये कि हम वेट करें ऑर्गेनाइजर्स के कि वो हमारे पास आएं और वो हमें हमारे शोज करवाएं टिकटेड, उन लोगों ने अपनी छोटी छोटी मार्केट्स जो है वो तलाश कर ली हैं और उनके लिए वो खुद ही अब शोज ऑर्गेनाइज कराते हैं. इस्लामाबाद में तो ये बहुत शुरू हो गया, स्मॉलर गिग्स फॉर 400 to 500 people, या 300, 200 people, even 150. I've been doing a lot of these shows जिनकी उस तरह से commercial advertisement नहीं होती, लेकिन ये है कि वो.
But it's just for music lovers who really, don't want to go to a place जहाँ security threat हो and just a couple of people.
So वो चीजें अब शुरू हो रही है, which is really good. थोड़े बहुत रिटर्न्स आने शुरू होंगे सिंगर्स को, म्यूजिशियंस को. और बाकी ये कि कोक स्टूडियो is definitely really good. I think it's the only platform currently in Pakistan जिससे आपको international acclaim मिल सकता है. That is Coke Studio. Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, I was called on Coke Studio for season 2. But I don't know, there was some problem with the sponsors end, so Rohil ne mujhe kहा
No, they can't be.
Yeah.
Really?
This is old news, but yeah, कि अब inshallah he said कि we'll definitely.
Please do, Abbas. I mean, you're one person that I would not, because I'm talking to you right now, but you're one person.
It's a branded show at the end of the day.
I know, but you should be a part of that show, because I can only imagine the kind of the classical bit and the fusion that you do. I think it's just brilliant. You should be a part of a show like that.
Thank you very much, and inshallah देखें इनको अगर ख्याल आए तो बुलाएंगे.
Definitely, inshallah, we're going to make sure that you are on that show. Anyway, अच्छा, मुझे बताइए 2 more questions and then you can get back to what you were doing. मुझे बताइए that in terms of new upcoming singers and bands, who do you think is more promising and who will make it big?
ये यूजुअली पता है क्या, इस तरह के सवाल पे लोग मुझसे ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं कि मैं बड़ा जो हूँ ना वो क्लीशेड सा जवाब दूंगा किसी क्लासिकल सिंगर को या किसी क्लासिकली बेस्ड सिंगर को, जो है वो मैं कहूंगा कि, लेकिन इट वुड बी अ सरप्राइज फॉर मे बी अ सरप्राइज फॉर द लिसनर्स कि मुझे बिलाल खान बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
बिलाल खान is great actually.
Because there's certain points. I mean, I won't say that he's technically the best singer out there, but he is doing justice to his music. He takes out time. He writes intelligent poetry and intelligent songwriting. So that is the kind of artist that I like. कि जिनका काम आप सुने तो ये पता चले कि यार इसमें कुछ सोच थोड़ा इन्वॉल्व है. ऐसा नहीं कि उन्होंने गिटार उठाया और बस गाना शुरू कर दिया.
बिल्कुल. So do we see you collaborating with Bilal Khan soon?
Well, if you want, yeah, definitely.
Please do. Maybe we should ask you and make that like a Radio 1 exclusive or something.
No, Bilal is doing very well. I've been following his success and all the best to him.
बिल्कुल. अच्छा आपको जाने तो नहीं दे सकते before you. I mean, I remember last time भी जब आप शो पे थे, you had sung such a beautiful song, रातियों दिल में तेरी. But this time I'm not going to put you in trouble. But आप कुछ भी गा के सुनाइए for of course all the listeners out there.
What we're going to have this again when my video is out.
अच्छा,
and I'm going to sing the new song. Then.
Okay, brilliant. Do that. It was a pleasure talking to you. बहुत शुक्रिया.
Likewise.
And we wish you best of luck and any support, anything. Radio 1's always there.
Thank you very much.
All right, ji, Allah Hafiz. Okay, that was Abbas Ali Khan, and there's so much more to say, but what we're going to do is we're going to play this next song, which is by Abbas Ali Khan. Sun rahe. Enjoy this one. Iske baad वापस आइए and keep on texting in 9191.